What's up, Bankroll? We back with some more Infinity content, and I have a spring install for y'all. Let's get it.
Alright, so I don't know what year this Q50 is. I think it's a 2014. But we have the RSR down springs. They're not the super downs, they're just the down springs. We're going to be installing these, so we already have the car lifted up in the air. I think we're going to start with the fronts. We'll remove the front tires, and then we'll document the process.
On Brian's Q, we installed some RSR super down springs. These are just RSR down springs. So the drop isn't going to be the same, but it should still be dope. You guys seen the last vid that we did on a Q. We had to remove the back seats, so that's going to be kind of a hassle, but
It's not bad.
yeah, it's not that bad. We'll show you guys how to do it.
We're just going to leave them loose for now.
Alright, so we got all the wheels off. This should look pretty dope once it's lowered.
On these Qs, there's just this little bracket you remove. Once you remove that, you disconnect the sway bar end link, which is this right here. You're just gonna disconnect that, and then that's basically all that's holding in the strut. So I'll come back once I have this removed. Like I said, it looks like these are aftermarket probably. This should be a 19, but in our case it's a 21. On your car it's probably a 19. We're gonna remove that. Yeah, 14. Okay, so we got the sway bar end link out. Now we got the strut out. Okay.
There's a G and a Teggy.
Watch out, this will blow up on you. Alright, so we got all four.
Not free or what?
What do you mean?
Wait, I don't know which ones are.
This is R. Does that one say F?
Rear? Yeah, F.
Okay, then yeah, the longer ones go in the back.
Exactly. What?
Always gotta stay prepared.
The little, we'll call it a piston. It's not long enough to come through to the top, so we could thread this on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna compress this a little bit, and it should poke the rod up just enough to get that on. Alright, so I get the vice grip in there if it fits. There you go.
More?
Nice. I just want the logo facing forward.
For the customer?
Yeah. Quality over quantity. Okay. Line the top up. Put the nuts in on top. You can record the top, Meg.
What, ho?
It's aftermarket sway bar end link, but you slide it through this hole. I can see barely. Dude, I'm about to swing if you touch me again.
If I just touch you randomly?
Yeah, like I'll. See, I'm gonna swing.
Alright guys, put some gloves on to not contaminate anything.
Okay.
Dragging the tabs up.
True.
What?
Why are you unbuckling him?
Because he needs to go. So to access the top of the two struts in the back, there's going to be two clips right here under the seat.
Really?
One on each side. So you just pull this clip out this way, and then the seat should get loose. Alright. And that should be it.
That was actually really easy.
Yeah.
Wait, seatbelt's attached, huh?
Yeah. Dude, that's so dope. What the hell?
Most cars are like this. A lot of them.
Infinity, bro. On some Qs, there's a little latch thing right here to pull, and the seats will drop. But some Qs don't have that. So there's gonna be 4 14s on the bottom of the seat. One right there, one right here, other side, and on the other side. All right. Pull
That
it.
was actually easy.
Pull it.
Alright, explain that to him.
So yeah, I was just laying. You got it?
Yeah, hold on. Let me open the door more. Alright.
Alright. So the backrest was just resting on these brackets right here. And that one over there. Yeah, so you just basically undo the 14s and then lift it up. And the top of the struts are going to be located right here behind these panels on each side. 410s right here.
Got me doing labor and shit.
Hey, don't lose them.
The only thing I need to lose my virginity.
There's going to be 2 more in the side right here. But for that, you'd have to take out all these panels. We're not going to do that. We're just going to bend it back. So you bend it back, and then you should have access to the top of the strut right there. In the rear is going to be a 17. And then
Alright.
That's it.
Alright, stop on it.
Oh shit. There too. It's held in by something.
By that shit.
There you go.
Just pry it off.
Yeah.
Should come off after that.
Oh, there you go. Forward.
We got the springs on the struts, how we showed you guys, just by compressing it. So this one's all the way in, just tighten that one bolt, and then Brian and Mick are getting the last strut in.
Just tighten that bolt. We just have to get this strut over to clear this. So I just use a pry bar. If you're by yourself, use a pry bar. If you have somebody else, have them stand on this caliper that's somewhat lined up. Now I just get a flathead in this hole, and I kind of just boom.
There we go.
That's cool.
That's good.
It's good.
There you go.
Nice job, Esteban.
There you go, Esteban.
There you go.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. It's good stuff.
All right, guys. Of course, it's night, but all the springs are in. You lower the back, now we're gonna lower the front. Wait, you're just gonna get,
No, it's cool.
it's getting crushed.
Literally?
Yeah. All right, boys, that was it for tonight. Brian will show you guys how it looks like tomorrow in the morning. That's it for today. Yeah.
All right, what's up, guys? We're recording the Q from the next day after we installed the RSR down springs. The car isn't slammed. It's a pretty good height for daily driving. You could tell it did lower it a bit, but it's not slammed. It's perfect for like daily driving. So stay tuned for the next install. Like I said, these were RSR down springs, not the super downs. If you guys want to see what the super downs look like, check out our channel. We have an install video on those too on my silver Q50. But yeah, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.